How to make shirt on Roblox Mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you how can you make shirt on Roblox Mobile. Now to do it, so you want to go ahead and open up your app store or Play Store, and on the search box you want to go ahead and type in Makerblox. When you locate it, you want to install the application and click the open button. After which you want to go ahead and select the template and select t-shirt at the first, and go ahead and select the one that you want to go with. Now here what you need to do is at the bottom of the page you could see a lot of stickers and all that. You would go ahead and add it as well, and once you've actually done it, so you could just go ahead and build a t-shirt, and then you could click on this arrow icon from a right hand side corner of your screen. Once you've actually downloaded it, and now exit out of this page and go ahead and log into your Roblox account with the help of a browser. So once you're logged in, click on continue in browser. After which you want to go ahead and click on create from the top of the page. Once you're logged into your account, you want to click on a tab bar icon from the top left hand side corner, go to creations, and here you want to go ahead and locate the avatar items from here. And for the filters you want to go ahead and look, so here you want to go ahead and click on classic, and then you want to click on classic t-shirt or just shirt. Then you want to click on upload asset, after which you want to go ahead and upload the shirt. You want to go and upload the file that you recently downloaded, and that's the way you could make t-shirt on Roblox Mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.